In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Docs. We're going to walk through creating a doc from a list view, linking it to your work, and then customizing how it looks and behaves. So by the end, you'll feel comfortable building docs directly inside ClickUp. First, start in your workspace where you can see your tasks in the list view. Make sure you're on the list that holds the tasks you care about, such as an all tasks style list for your current project. This is important because the doc you create here will live alongside that work, making it easier to keep everything in context. At the top of this list view, look for the option that opens additional tools and features. Click on the highlighted area shown in the interface, and from the options that appear, choose Doc. This creates or opens a ClickUp doc that's directly tied to the space you're working in. Inside the doc, move your mouse toward the header area near the document title. You'll see a few controls and icons appear. Click on the highlighted icon there to open the panel that lets you link tasks or other docs. From that menu, choose Link Task or Doc. This is how you connect your documentation to the actual work happening in ClickUp, which is incredibly helpful for keeping specs, notes, and tasks in one place. When the linking options appear, switch to the Docs tab. This lets you link existing docs into your current doc, building a small knowledge hub. Click the highlighted search or selection area, then choose the doc you want to attach. Next, let's customize the look of your doc. In the header, click the Add icon near the top of the page. From the drop-down, select Add Cover. This lets you give your doc a visual identity, which can make it easier to spot at a glance. If you decide you don't like the cover or want a cleaner look, click on it again and choose Remove to take it off. Now open the doc settings by clicking the Settings option in the header. Here, you'll see several toggles and options highlighted in the interface. Go through each one. Enable or disable features like showing the doc in the sidebar, allowing comments, or managing sharing behavior. These small switches control how your doc appears to you and to your team. Finally, inside the doc editor, click in the content area and open the block menu. From there, select Table. This adds a structured table to your doc, perfect for organizing data, simple roadmaps, or checklists directly inside your documentation. Follow these steps, and you'll be able to create, link, style, and structure ClickUp docs so they become a powerful part of your workflow.